Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. This video is in collaboration with Here Is Your Crown Women Supporting Women, and this is hosted by Devin over Freckled Mom DIY and Connie over Connie's Nails and Creations, and co-hosted by Amanda over Six Kids and a Glue Gun. I'll leave the links of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. Let's get crafting. So I'm going to start with taking two of these small canvases from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to remove the canvas. I'm going to run my box cutter around the wood part and remove the canvas. And after I removed it, I just brushed it a little bit with the sanding square that I had. And also I'm mixing this antique wax with a little bit of water, and I'm going to paint the wooden part of the canvas. I'm going to cover every part of the wooden canvas as much as I can. And I'm going to repeat the same process for the other canvas as well. And I'm going to let them both dry. Meanwhile, I'm going to do the bead work. So I got this large size beads from Goodwill, and for $2.99 I thought it was a great deal, so I just grabbed it. I mean, look at their size. They are just popping out of the canvas, and I basically laid all the beads around the canvas and counted how many beads I would need. And I'm doing the same thing I did for the canvas. I'm painting them in the antique wax and I dried them. Meanwhile, I'm using this thin popsicle sticks or craft sticks, and I measured the length of those craft sticks. They were just right size for the canvas. I'm just taking a dab of a hot glue on either side of the craft sticks, and then I'm organizing it one after the other. I'm working my way through filling up the canvas. So all done, neatly stuck. And I'm also going to paint the same antique and water mixture on top of these craft sticks, just like this. So after my craft sticks are dried and also the beads are dried, I'm going to stick the beads all around. I've completed sticking all the beads around the tray. Now I'm going to take the other frame and stick it on top of it just like this. And using other last 4 beads, I'm going to give the feet for the tray just like this. And that's it. Your wooden tray is all ready. What do you think? This is the final reveal, you guys. I'm so excited about this project. And this was inspired from crafting with Maria. And she used 2 of the canvases and some wooden beads. And then, like you saw the process, I just followed her. And her inspiration was creations by Favi. So basically this is in honor of both Fanny and Maria. So this is completely a wooden project, and I love the color, the light brown. I used antique wax, like you saw the process, and I used craft sticks as a base, lavender planter, and one of this cute pink candle. And yeah, I can decorate with anything. So this is my way of decorating the tray, and I'm very much happy how this turned out. Let me know your thoughts on this, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you again.